Welcome, Foxtecc community. Today, we're diving into a practical topic that many of you might find useful: how to effectively use an Apple gift card for in-app purchases. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step. To kick things off, open the App Store on your device. Once you're in, head to the account page by tapping on the profile button, usually found in the top right corner. It's the one that looks like a silhouette of a person. On your account page, locate and tap on your name and email at the top. This is where you can view your gift card balance. In the video, the presenter had a balance of £6.62, but your balance will vary depending on your specific situation. If you need to add funds to your account, go back to the account page. Look for the option that says Redeem Gift Card or Code. This is where you input the code found on your physical gift card. It's crucial to have an actual gift card with a valid code for this step to work. Now let's move on to making an in-app purchase. Choose the item or service you want to buy. In the video, the presenter demonstrated by making a purchase in the game Roblox. This step is where you put your gift card balance to good use. After selecting your desired purchase, the Apple Pay pop-up will appear. Here you have the option to use your gift card balance or select a payment card. If your gift card balance covers the entire cost, it will be automatically used. If not, the remaining amount will be charged to your selected payment card. By following these steps, you can seamlessly use an Apple gift card for in-app purchases, making your digital transactions a breeze. If you found this information helpful, consider giving the video a thumbs up. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you to check out the Foxtecc educational platform. It's free to access, and the link is in the description below. We've got a wealth of knowledge waiting for you. Thank you for tuning in today, Foxtecc family. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for more tech insights. Your support means a lot. Until next time, peace.